Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I teach students to do hard work with smartness by grasping at its root instead of shallow mugging up of the text. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the summary of chapter Sapno ke se din from grade 10. This chapter is from Sachayan. This chapter is written by Gurdial Singh. It's an autobiography of the writer. So, let's seize the day. सपनों के से दिन पाठ के लेखक गुरदयाल सिंह है जिसमें लेखक ने अपने स्कूल के दिनों का वर्णन किया है. As I told you, the writer of the chapter is Gurdial Singh and he described about his school days. Let's see the summary. Actually, this is a lengthy chapter, so it's summary. Let's see. लेखक अपनी आत्मकथा के इस अंश में बताते हैं कि बचपन में वे जब वो और मेरे साथी खेला करते थे मीन्स उनके साथी खेला करते थे तो सभी एक जैसे लगते थे. मीन्स द राइटर इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द writer and his friends were at that time when they returned from their school to house. Okay. नंगे पाँव, फटी मैली कच्ची और टूटे बटनों वाली कई जगह से फटे उनके कुर्ते और बिखरे बाल. मीन्स they were barefoot. Okay. And his kurtas were torn from many places. His clothes were dirty and broken buttons. This was the conditions of the children at that time when they returned from the school to home. Okay. हाँ, खेलते वे इधर उधर भागते वे गिर पड़ते जिससे पाँव छिल जाते थे. Means while playing they used to run and fall. So due to this they get hurt. उनकी चोट देखकर माँ बहनें तथा पिता उनकी पिटाई किया करते थे. Instead of feeling of pity on this kid, instead of showing pity on this kid, the people in the house, that is sisters, mothers and even father, they used to beat them. इसके बावजूद भी वे बच्चे अगले दिन फिर खेलने निकल पड़ते. लेखक बचपन में ये सब नहीं समझ पाए थे. Despite this, those children would go out to play again the next day. The author could not understand all this in his childhood. जब अध्यापक की ट्रेनिंग में उन्होंने बाल मनोविज्ञान विषय पढ़ा तब उन्हें ये बात समझ में आई. मीन्स अध्यापक की ट्रेनिंग, दैट इज़ टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग. बाल मनोविज्ञान, दैट इज़ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी. विषय, सब्जेक्ट. तब उन्हें ये बात समझ में आई. मीन्स ही अंडरस्टूड. सो he understood this when he read the subject of child psychology in teachers training course. सभी बच्चों की आदतें मिलती जुलती थी. Means the habits of all the children were similar. उनमें से अधिकतर स्कूल नहीं जाते थे या फिर पढ़ने में रुचि ना लेते थे. उनमें से अधिकतर मीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ देम स्कूल नहीं जाते थे. दे डिडंट गो टू स्कूल या फिर पढ़ने में रुचि नहीं लेते थे. इवन इफ दे गो टू स्कूल दे डोंट टेक इंटरेस्ट इन स्टडिंग. Most of them did not go to school or were not interested in studying. पढ़ाई का महत्व नहीं समझाया जाता था. Means the importance of studies were not explained. स्वयं माता पिता भी पढ़ाने में रुचि नहीं लेते थे. Means parents don't care. Okay, if you don't want to go to school, don't go. So the parents themselves were not interested in teaching. वे उन्हें पंडित घनश्याम दास के लंडे पढ़वाकर हिसाब किताब सिखा देना आवश्यक समझते थे. मीन्स they thought it is necessary to teach them accounts by teaching them from Pandit Ghanshyam Das. Okay, he used to teach them accounts. लेखक के आधे से ज़्यादा साथी राजस्थान या हरियाणा से आकर मंडी में व्यापार या दुकानदारी करने आए परिवारों में से थे. आधे से ज़्यादा मीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड राजस्थान या हरियाणा से आकर मीन्स दे वेर फ्रॉम राजस्थान और हरियाणा. मंडी में व्यापार या दुकानदारी either trade or they were having shops. So these most of his friends were from these families. Parivaro means families. So most of his friends were from families who came from Rajasthan or Haryana to trade or shop in the mandi. उनकी बोली कम समझ में आती थी. उनकी बोली पर हंसी भी आती थी, पर खेलते समय कभी कभी ये बोली समझ में आ जाती थी. मीन्स राइटर वॉज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर लैंग्वेज. द राइटर यूज टू समटाइम्स लाफ एट देयर लैंग्वेज, बट समटाइम वाइल playing he used to understand that language. Okay. बचपन में बच्चों को सब कुछ अच्छा लगता था, केवल उन्हें स्कूल जाना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. इन चाइल्डहुड चिल्ड्रन loved everything, only they did not like going to school. लेखक को अपने स्कूल जाने का रास्ता याद था. The writer remembered the way, the path to school, जिसके दोनों ओर कांटेदार झाड़ियाँ थी, which had spiny bushes on either side. उनके पत्तों की महक नीम जैसी थी. मीन्स द स्मेल ऑफ देयर लीव्स वे सिमिलर टू नीम, जिसके लेखक आज भी अपनी सांसों में अनुभव करता है. मीन्स विच द राइटर स्टिल एक्सपीरियंस इन हिज ब्रीथ. अपने स्कूल की क्यारियों में कई तरह के फूल लगे हुए थे, जिन्हें वे लोग चपरासी की नज़र बचाकर तोड़ लेते थे. Means there were many flowers in the school garden which they used to break by avoiding the peon or not letting him know. Okay. The writer is saying that these are the things more important than the school. In school garden which had these kind of flower, these things which were more admired those days. Okay. Means the flowers, writer is saying, these flowers so beautiful and very good fragrant one, they used to hide from the peon and also break the flowers. Okay. Next paragraph. नई कक्षा में जाना अच्छा लगता था, परंतु साथ में डर भी लगता था कि मास्टरों से पहले से अधिक मार पड़ेगी. Means it was nice to go to a new class, but at the same time there was a fear that the master would beat more than before. Okay. Means after passing in one grade, they used to promote in the next grade. It was very nice feeling, to go to the new class, but the same times the writer was having fear. What fear he was having? He was having for the beating from the teachers. उन दिनों स्कूल में 1.5 महीने पढ़ाई होने के बाद 1.5-2 महीने की छुट्टियां होती थी. मीन्स इन दोज डेज आफ्टर स्टडिंग फॉर अ मंथ एंड अ हाफ, देयर वॉज अ हॉलीडे फॉर 1.5 months और मे बी 2 months. ओके. छुट्टियों के शुरू के 2-3 सप्ताह खेलने में बीत जाते थे. वे अपनी माँ के साथ नाना के घर जाकर छुट्टियों को भरपूर आनंद लेते थे. Means first 2-3 weeks of the holidays were spent playing. He used to enjoy the holidays with his mother visiting Nana's house. Okay, Nana means mother's father. So the writer's mother used to go to her parents' house. So, writer also enjoyed there. If for some reason, no. यदि किसी कारण नाना के घर नहीं जाते थे तो घर के पास बने तालाब में सारा दिन खेलते थे. Means if for some reason, okay, he did not go to Nana's house, then he used to play all day in the pond near the house. Okay. तालाब में नहाकर गीले बदन ही पास में पड़ी रेत में खेलते और फिर से तालाब में कूद जाते. ऐसा वे एक बार नहीं न जाने कितनी बार करते थे. Means after taking the bath in the pond, okay, playing in they used to play in the sand which was lying nearby the pond, and then jumping again in the pond, okay, and he did this not once but not knowing how many times. उनमें से कोई भी अच्छा तैराक नहीं था. यदि कोई बच्चा गहरे पानी में चला जाता था तो दूसरे बच्चे उसे भैंस के सींग या पूंछ पकड़कर बाहर आने की सलाह देते थे. Means there was no good swimmer among them. If a child went into deep water and he will be in the danger, then other children would advise him to come out by holding a buffalo horn or a tail. Means what, few buffalo must be swimming in the pond, so they advise him to come out by holding a buffalo horn or tail. इसी तरह छुट्टियों का एक महीना बीत जाता था. Similarly, means a month of holidays passed in this activity. Okay, next paragraph. एक महीना शेष रहने पर स्कूल से मिले काम की याद आने लगती थी. Means if 1 month is left, so we used to remember the work the writer got from school. Okay, हिसाब के अध्यापक 200 सवाल करके लाने के लिए कहते थे. Means the teacher of maths used to ask to do 200 questions and bring to school. बच्चे अपने मन में हिसाब लगाते कि यदि 10 सवाल भी प्रतिदिन किए जाए तो 20 दिन में काम समाप्त हो जाएगा. Okay, now हिसाब means maths. Okay, प्रतिदिन means daily and समाप्त means finish. So the sentence meaning is the children used to calculate in their mind that if 10 questions are done, okay, on daily basis, then the work will be finished in 20 days. So इसलिए 10 दिन और खेला जा सकता है. 10 की बजाय 15 दिन खेल में निकल जाते थे. Means therefore 10 more days, okay, 10 more days can be played. So instead of 10 days, they used to play for 15 days. Okay. दस के बजाय 15 दिन खेल में निकल जाते थे. 15 सवाल प्रतिदिन करने का सोचकर 1-2 दिन और खेल में निकल जाते थे. Means not instead of 10 days they used to play for 15 days. Okay, now what happened, now they will do thinking of doing 15 question every day. 1 or 2 days would go in the playing. In such a way the holidays, ऐसे ही हिसाब लगाते लगाते छुट्टियां कम होती जाती थी और स्कूल जाने का भय सताने लगता था. Means in such a way they used to calculate, and doing this the holidays kept on decreasing and the fear of going to school started. Okay, means the fear started to increase. But कुछ सहपाठी ऐसे भी थे जो काम करने से अच्छा मास्टर की पिटाई खाना उचित समझते थे. Means among his friend, okay, there were also some classmates who thought it is better to take the beating of teacher rather than doing the homework. Okay, so they were having this kind of group. उनका नेता ओमा हुआ करता था, means they were having this kind of group and their leader was Oma. Okay, this chapter is really lengthy, so the video has been divided into two parts. You will find the link of the second part in the description box. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.